Hi, are you going to Thailand? Do you want to know how you can stay in Thailand for longer than 30 days? You've come to the right place. In this video you will see a guide on how to stay in Thailand for longer. How to live in Thailand without a visa. At the beginning, it should be noted that this guide is addressed only to people whose nationality is on the displayed list. Check if your country is on the list. Check if you are privileged for visa-free entry to Thailand. The countries on this list participate in the visa waiver program. If you are a citizen of one of these countries, you do not need to apply for a visa before arriving in Thailand. Remember, if you are a citizen of a country that is not on the list, you must apply for the appropriate visa before your arrival. Information about visas. What are the types of visas? What are visas to Thailand? How to get a visa to Thailand? How much does a visa to Thailand cost? What are the Thailand visa regulations and what are the tricks? It's all in the next episode, so in order not to miss, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and click the bell. When arriving in Thailand, the first thing you need to do is get off the plane. Ha ha ha. You will then go to immigration where they will check your passport. If you are a citizen of a country that is exempt from the visa requirement, you will receive a so-called residence permit, visa exemption. Many people confuse this stamp authorizing residence with a visa. This is not a visa. Depending on the country and the agreements that have been concluded between your country and the Kingdom of Thailand, the residence permit may be granted for a different period. To check how many days you can get a residence permit at the Thai border, go to the website, select your nationality and check it. In most cases, it will be 30 calendar days. Some countries have only 15 days, some have as much as 45 days. So you are on the border. You nervously shuffle your feet at the window and wait for the immigration officer to stamp your passport. Why is he looking like that? Why doesn't he give this stamp? The next minute lasts like an eternity. Suddenly there was thunder. You can enter the Kingdom of Thailand. You visit temples, palaces, parks, you eat delicious food, you're sightseeing again and eating again. Finally you got bored with the temples, so you just eat. Time passes quickly and suddenly the day comes when you have to leave Thailand. What are the options to extend your stay in Thailand? When your stay permit comes to an end, you will be faced with a decision to make. If you have already visited all of Thailand, seen the beautiful Buddhist temples, wonderful palaces, stunning islands such as Koh Samui or Koh Phi Phi, and enjoyed the nightlife in Phuket, Pattaya, or Bangkok, you may choose to return home. But if you have enjoyed Thailand so much that you want to stay longer, you must extend your stay permit. To do this, you must go to the immigration police office that is assigned to your place of residence. And here is a very important information. As a tourist, you are obliged to report your stay from the second day after arrival to Thailand. Your hotel, hostel, guest house, anyone who hosts you and where you stay has an obligation to report your stay. This is very important, so ask your host if they have fulfilled this obligation. Unfortunately, some hosts don't report your stay, which can have serious consequences for you. If you don't have a registration, you'll probably be unable to extend your stay. And if the government finds out that you didn't register, you could be fined. To register your stay in Thailand, you must fill out a TM30 form. You can download the form from the website or request it from your host. Your host will send the form online and receive a confirmation email. To extend your stay, you must ask your current host to print out the confirmation. You will need the confirmation to extend your stay in Thailand and you must attach it to other documents. You can also obtain the confirmation from the immigration office for a fee. However, the office that issues the confirmation may be located in a different building or even in a different district of the city. It is therefore important to take care of this document in advance. For example, if your address is in Pattaya, you cannot extend your stay in Bangkok. To find out which immigration office you need to go to, you can check the website and search for the office that is assigned to your address. If you do not have a registered address, you have been staying with a friend or family member, or you have been sleeping in a tent or car, do not worry. I have a solution for you. We will find a way for you to be able to extend your stay in the Kingdom of Thailand. I have a few very useful tips for you regarding extending your stay in Thailand. To extend your stay, you must make a report as we discussed earlier. You can do this yourself by sending in a completed form. However, this may result in a fine for you for not reporting earlier. Another way is to book a hotel for 1 day before your planned stay extension. This will give you additional options and allow you to fulfill your registration obligation. You can book a hotel in a convenient location for you and where you want to go to the immigration office. You can therefore check in advance which addresses are served by the immigration office you have chosen and rent a hotel room in this area. Hotels usually automatically register and report. You can ask about this at the lobby and confirm whether the hotel will fulfill this obligation and whether it will issue you a confirmation. My next tip is to choose an immigration office that is not very crowded with tourists. This will allow you to quickly handle your case and also get better and more friendly service. Immigration police in cities like Bangkok and Pattaya are very crowded, and you have to spend the whole day there to extend your stay. Let's move on. If you already have confirmation of your registration, you can go to the immigration police to extend your stay. You will need the following documents. Confirmation of submission of the TM30 form we discussed earlier. Copy of your passport. The page with your data and the page with your entry stamps to Thailand. One passport-sized photo not older than 6 months. A completed TM7 form that you will receive at the immigration office along with attachments. When your stay permit expires, you'll have to decide what to do next. If you've already seen all of Thailand, visited all the temples, palaces, and islands, and experienced the nightlife, you can go home. But if you love Thailand so much that you want to stay longer, you need to extend your stay permit. Here are some additional tips for extending your stay in Thailand. Be prepared to pay a fee to extend your stay. The fee is currently 1,900 baht. Be polite and respectful to the immigration police officers. They are just doing their job. Bring all of the required documents with you. If you don't have everything you need, you may be turned away. I hope these tips help you extend your stay in Thailand. Have fun! I would like to add that the procedure is the same for extending a tourist visa. You must also meet the conditions described earlier and provide the documents listed. It should be noted here that the extension of stay by 30 days can only be done once. Remember that you must do this before the validity of your residence permit expires. If you are late, you will not receive an extension, and if you exceed the deadline, you will have to pay a financial penalty of 500 THB for each day beyond the allowed stay. Also pay attention to whether the last day of your permit does not fall on a day off like Saturday, Sunday, or a public holiday. On these days, the immigration office is closed and all applications for an extension of stay must be done earlier. So remember to extend your stay in Thailand before the deadline you have in your passport. This is very important. Okay. You have an extension of stay in Thailand. You are happy and proud of yourself. There was definitely a bit of stress, but in the end, it worked out and you can enjoy your stay in the Kingdom of Thailand for another month. You can again visit temples, restaurants, parks, beaches. And again, the day will come very quickly when your residence permit will expire. You are wondering if there is any way to be in Thailand longer. Is there any way to extend your residence permit again? Watch on and you will soon find out. If 2 months of stay is still not enough and you would like to stay in Thailand longer, there is a certain hidden possibility. Few people know this method, so it is not very popular. This is its main advantage. To continue your journey through Thailand, to be able to extend your stay for more memories and experiences, you must first find someone who is a native Thai and lives in Thailand. This extension will allow you to stay in the Kingdom of Thailand for another 60 days, and the cost of this extension is the same as the first extension, which is 1,900 baht. As I mentioned earlier, to be able to apply for another extension, you need to find a Thai friend. It can be a Thai man, a Thai woman, or a Thai family. The third option is the most preferred. So what's next? Ask your Thai friend to register you at their address. To do this, they will need to fill out a registration form and send it online to receive confirmation of registration. This procedure was already discussed by me earlier. In this case, it does not differ in any way. Then print the registration confirmation. Ask your Thai friend to write a letter of intent inviting you to visit them. The letter should be in the nature of a visiting invitation. It should include who is the inviter, who is the invitee, for how long the invitation is, and to what address. This document will be the basis for applying for an extension of stay based on a visit to a Thai family. I encourage your Thai friend to go with you to the immigration office, so that, in case of questions from the official, they can confirm that the letter is authentic and that they are actually inviting you to visit their home. All other documents required for this extension are the same as before. Remember to fill out the TM7 form correctly. You must enter the correct address, the correct date, and the correct reason for applying for an extension of stay. An extension of stay based on a visit to a Thai family is 60 days and costs 1,900 baht. This way, you can stay in Thailand for another 60 days. So, from the day you land, it will be up to 120 days. And that's without any visa or leaving Thailand. Isn't that great? I think that 4 months is already a lot of time to enjoy the Kingdom of Thailand. In such a long time, you can visit every corner of Thailand and gain unforgettable experiences. What's next? Watch the next episodes because I have a few more tricks up my sleeve. In the meantime, I wish you a wonderful stay full of beautiful moments. Thank you for your attention. I hope I helped you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will definitely answer. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episodes. Have a great day or night. See you soon.